Using InGame HR, you can engage and test the job candidates within fun and entertaining video games. If the candidate loses a live in-game, he can save it answering an interview question correctly. For more details on how to set up a game link, see the previous 101 video. In InGame HR we have games for various occasions. By choosing a game that matches your organization you can build up your brand awareness. Different job candidate groups will find different games interesting, and we have a lot to choose from. Desert Adventure is a clone of the classic Space Invaders game in a desert attire. The player controls a cannon placed at the bottom of the screen, firing at enemies descending from above. Technically this is a fixed-type shoot-'em-up game. Typical audience, mildly technical. Froggy Princess. Have you always wanted to be a princess who is looking for their destined prince? In this game you can make it happen. Defeat the evil frogs in order to find the right one, which will turn into your dream prince. Pirates. Ahoy matey. Take up your cutlass and load up your cannon, you will need them on this dangerous adventure. Dodge all the obstacles in your way and search for the promised treasure. Speed Race. Is engine oil pumping in your veins? Have you always wanted to be a race driver, but are stuck in your standard office job? Test your reflexes and fulfill the dreams you always had driving home from your office. Space Rescue is a clone of the classic Space Invaders game in a space attire. The player controls a cannon placed at the bottom of the screen, firing at enemies descending from above. Technically this is a fixed-type shoot-'em-up game. Typical audience, technical. Little Witch. The evil witches are attacking your dream castle and you need to defend it in order to save your eternal peace. Play as a good witch and use magic to drive the enemies away.